Students, welcome back in Nipendra Das biology tutorial. In our previous class, we already discussed about the various modes of nutrition. Now today I am going to discuss briefly about the autotrophic mode of nutrition. So autotrophic mode of nutrition means auto means self and trophic means feeding, that means self-feeding. So the process by which the green plants prepare their own food is known as photosynthesis. So what are the raw material which one is used during photosynthesis? That means first is light, then chlorophyll, then carbon dioxide, then water. So from where the plants collect their raw materials, carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide collect from the environment via stomata of the leaf, and water is collected from the soil. Okay. So what is the chemical equation of the photosynthesis? That means when 6 moles of carbon dioxide reacts with the 12 moles of water with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, it will produce 1 molecules of glucose, 6 molecules of oxygen and 6 molecules of water. So what are the mechanisms of photosynthesis? That means absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. That means that light energy helps to collect the the chlorophyll is help to absorb the light energy. Number 2, conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecules, that kind of water molecules into oxygen. So here carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate. Okay, that means from water, here after reaction here oxygen is produced, and from carbon dioxide after reaction here glucose is produced. That means here reduction of carbon dioxide takes place and splitting of water into oxygen takes place. Here main important thing is that absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. So who can absorb the light energy? The chlorophyll can absorb the light energy. So here we'll discuss that chlorophyll. So where the chlorophyll is present? Chlorophyll is present in chloroplast. So where chloroplast is present? Chloroplast is present in leaf. Okay. And via stomata, via stomata, the green plants collect the carbon dioxide. So how the stomata is look like? That means, see this one the structure of the stomata. These two are the guard cell, and these are the stomatal pore, and these are the chloroplast. So the opening and closing of the stomata depends on the opening and closing of the guard cell. Okay, the opening of the stomata depends on the opening of the and closing of the guard cell. So when the guard cell is opened, when the stomata collects the water molecules from the surrounding, it will swell up, and at that time the stomata is open. When the stomata release the water molecules from their body, it will shrinkage. At that time the closing of the stomata takes place. Now let's see the importance of photosynthesis. Now let's see what is the importance of photosynthesis. Okay, so food produced in the process of photosynthesis is utilized by animals as their food. So the food which one is produced during photosynthesis, that means glucose, which one is further used by the animals as their food. Number 2, oxygen, the byproduct. So here the byproduct is oxygen. That means oxygen is produced after photosynthesis. So Oxygen, the byproduct of photosynthesis, is used by the animals for respiration. So we all all of you know that during respiration what we inhale, the oxygen. So at that time the respiration takes place. Okay, so oxygen, the byproduct of photosynthesis, is used by the animals for respiration. So number 3, modified solar energy is the source of energy of all animals trapped in the process of photosynthesis. That means the human beings or other animals, they are unable to trap the solar energy directly. So how they can trap the solar energy? With the help of the green plants. So the green plants can trap the solar energy, and that kind of solar energy we can collect from the green plants directly or indirectly. Okay. So here are the some important things you should remember, that the raw materials for photosynthesis is the water. One is the water, the carbon dioxide, the sunlight, the chlorophyll. And what is the byproduct? The byproduct is the oxygen. Okay. So these are the importance of the photosynthesis. So you must remember all these things. I think it will be very helpful for you. Thank you.